Hope that you guys enjoy my EP. Yep, this is Misfire.
Second guy I kissed, they met on air sites and astrology.